Hey everyone, welcome to How Hub. Today I'm gonna show you how to screenshot on your PC. Probably you need to show some information for troubleshooting or technical support, documentation, or maybe you're creating a tutorial, or you're trying to capture a memorable moment from the videos or games. So without wasting much time, let's dive in. So the first thing, you go to the search box next to the Windows icon and type SINP, that's Snipe Tool, and you go ahead and open the Snipe Tool, which appears here. Okay, or you can press on the Windows icon followed by the Shift key and S, and that way the screen will be hazy. You can choose whether to do a screenshot of a part of the screen, or the whole window, or the full screen, or just a free form. So let's pick the rectangle. In this case, I'm gonna just snipe this place. Yep. Here is my screenshot of just that area. If you choose to do the free form, you come straight, select the free form, and that will give you just draw this shape you want. Here will be your screenshot for that area. Or if you want to do the whole screen, for the whole screen, you come here straight, the whole screen appears here. Okay, and that includes the icons down there. Great. Another way of capturing the screenshot is you go straight to your computer and press on the button PRTST, that print screen, and your screen will be hazy, and you can go ahead and highlight the place you want to take a screenshot. Let's say we want to just take this area here. You got it. Alright, as you go on with this tutorial, I will also show you how to take a video snipe using the sniping tool. Okay, next I want to show you how to manage the snipe. So let's go ahead and take our snipe here. Let's pick this one, and here we can go ahead and draw it. We can go ahead and draw it, like put a little signature here, or we can highlight. Okay, we can highlight. We can go ahead and erase. If we're not happy with whatever we have done, we can erase it, or we can undo everything you have done. Okay, you can go ahead and add some shapes and outlines. Okay, for example, you can come here and put that circle. We can choose another shape here. Say we want this shape, and we want another color, let's say this one, and we can add it here, and we can go ahead and do this, and we can also crop it if you want to. Okay, and leave it as that. And we can cancel that and go ahead with our addition. We can go ahead and copy text. So we can copy the text which appears here. You can go ahead and copy text, come over and paste it wherever you want. Here we go. Or alternatively, we can go ahead and remove any email addresses or phone numbers which we will not want to appear as part of our text, or we can leave them on. Okay, we can choose to leave them on or remove them, and we can decide this is a very small space for us to edit this snippet, so we go ahead and end it in paintbrush. So it will bring us here and we'll be able to add anything we want to do with this image. Or after we are done, we can save it as one of our screenshots, and we can say our screenshot is, we call it how hub. Okay, and we're gonna save it as PNG and save it. Okay. All right. Alternatively, you can come here and copy your screenshot and paste it wherever you wanna paste it. And that's cool. So to snipe a video, you have to select the video you wanna snipe. Let's pick this one, and you wanna tap on Windows icon, Shift and R, and you'll get this kind of feedback. And the next thing to do is select the place you want to have clipped. Okay, and you can select start. The video just started. Okay, and we can stop at that. Okay, stop. And as you can see, our video appears here. You can go ahead and save this video by clicking Ctrl S to save. You can copy the video, or you can decide to share the video on whatever platform you wanna share the video on, WhatsApp, Instagram, or you can view all other apps that you wanna share the video. And that's impressive. So thank you so much for following me up to today's level, and thank you so much. Remember to subscribe. Bye.